Hi guys, welcome back to Just Jazzy, and today we are going to be making a butterfly prototype nose ring. It is with Tanzanite stone. I'm using sterling silver today in the gauge 20 and 24 to wrap, and I want to take you guys along the journey. I like to make a lot of abstract shapes and a lot of like different designs that I have not seen, and I want to make it as practical as I can. So to make this into a nose ring, I was very petrified actually, because I thought that that I wouldn't be able to wrap it in a way that it makes it look flattering and like a butterfly, but it actually turned out so beautifully. I can't wait to show you guys the ending result, and I've made many more prototypes since then, and I'm just saying this to say, branch out, do new things, try those things that you're scared to try, do those new shapes, create the crazy art, create what you want to create, do what you feel. And I guarantee you something beautiful is going to come out in the end always. I love creating art, like on the spot. I don't plan it. I just go into my workroom, into my office, and I just do what I feel. And many times when I'm doing that or creating something that way, it always turns out more beautifully than I could ever imagine. Tell me what you think about this design in the comments, and leave a comment below, what gemstone should I use next? I want you guys' opinion. Tell me something that I should try and I will do it in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy. Love you.